Can we all agree we're tired of the term game changer, but sometimes it really is appropriate. Look at this. I know it doesn't seem so interesting to you, but these are clippers with a built-in extension, and I don't know if you can see it, but they have grabbers on them too. So once you cut the item, you don't have to touch it. Why is that important? Well, let me show you, because this is going to save me here in my yard. Because here, let me turn the camera around, show you the bane of my existence. So these beautiful palm trees need to be trimmed every once in a while, except what you need to know is they are covered in these spikes. Can you see these spikes? They are not fun. I don't care what I've worn, how careful I've tried to be, I always end up with war wounds using basic handheld clippers, and now I am not gonna have to go into the tree to trim it. I tried it once, so I kind of have a good feel about it, but let's put a camera on it, take it in the tree, and see how well it actually does for an extended period of time. Let's go do that. I am a hot, sweaty mess. I have been using this guy for about an hour or so. This thing is so cool. Let me show you why. Oh, look at that. I went to town on those trees, and it was so much easier with this. No wounds, look, no wounds in my head. I always seem to get in my head because I didn't have to get in there. I could do it from standing outside the trees. Ridiculously cool. I mean, obviously, actually another thing I did with it was I did a little weeding inside my bushes. I could just like reach in, snip off the weed, pull it out. It was awesome, super cool. The grabber thing takes a little adjustment every now and then, just to know nothing's ever perfect, but this is definitely, we'll call it a 4.75 out of 5 on the Doug score for pretty darn close to perfect. I will see you next time.